So calling all leather fans, a favourite case on the channel has had a big update. So here it is for review, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So the Andar Aspen is back in the house and we have a new update. This is their new updated Aspen with camera control. So it seems a lot of case makers now are making the jump and adding the camera control button in, and a lot of people will be happy to see this. So let's check this out. So here we are, Andar Aspen. This is the jet black version for the 16 Pro Max. So let's check it out. Andar's packaging is top quality as always. I opted for the black for this one simply because I've got natural titanium and I'm not the biggest fan of browns, and for the camera control so far there's black and there's two different versions of brown, but I'm a black leather man. So first look at it, it is exactly what you would expect from Andar. We have this lovely metal matte finish camera guard, which is very nice. It's nearly like a grey, and then we've got our machined metal buttons on the side. We have Andar's branding here. And then on the other side, we've got our lock button, and then we've got our camera control button as well. So on the inside then it is microfiber lined, and we've got Andar's branding on the inside here. And 16 Pro Max is on here as well. MagSafe ring, of course. And then there's a close look at the camera control button. So make of that what you will. I know there's lots of different types of buttons. Some have different types of contacts on them. So let's just quickly pop this on the scale. So weighing in at 40 grams, which is about right. And if we just pop the 16 Pro Max in, pop that on the scale. So 269 grams is what it's weighing in at. So yeah, that's pretty much where it needs to be. Buttons then, so these are the machined metal buttons, and they are clicky, tactile, responsive. That's what you want to see. And of course the thing that you came for, camera control. So here is the button on the side. So the bumper is all the way around, and then we have our camera control button there, which is what you want to see. So if we just double click that, that opens up. Clicking it is no problem there, we have no issues. And let's just try the haptics. Yeah, look at that. That is really decent. The little haptic presses there, you can see, are working as they should. Zooming in is no problem. And yeah, look at that. That's working really well. That's a decent button. That is a decent button. No issues with that whatsoever. I like that. I've seen a few reports online. Some people have been having issues with the button, but I've had no issues with this button whatsoever. That's good to see. So Fitment then, this is a leather case. It is microfiber lined, which does help with the fit. So if we just try to pop that off and we just listen for the click. Good click means you've got a good fit. And then pop it off at the bottom there as well. And yeah, that's really good too. And if we just take the corners of the phone and we just give it a twist, see if the phone will pop out at the corners. Yeah, it's not moving there. I think the microfiber lining on the back of the case helps grip the phone when it's inside the case, and that makes a lot of difference. So yeah, it's really good fit there. No issues with that whatsoever. It's top quality as I would expect of it. Really good. And then of course screen lip. So it is a minimal lip around, but you do get a minimal lip all the way around, which is good. And it will give you a little bit of lift up flat protection as well. So if you do set it down flat, it is going to lift that display up off the surface. That's what you want to see. Perfect. And then of course the camera guard, metal camera guard, the lenses don't protrude out. And if you do set it down flat, you are going to get that metal protection there as well, which is what you want to see. Perfect. It is leather all the way around, so it is going to be smooth. When you first get it, it is going to feel a bit smooth. It is going to feel maybe a little bit slippery, but that's just leather in general. When you get it, it's untouched, it's unused. But once you start to use this and it starts to absorb the oils and things like that from your fingers, and it'll start to age, it will age beautifully and you'll get a lovely grippy feel on it. Perfect. It is really good. And this, like I say, this is the jet black color, which is stunning. It really is. Very nice. Cutouts for USB-C, speaker cutouts, and then it is full bumper all the way around. Really, really good. Really, really good. Top marks, Andar. You've done well here. It's a shame that we've had to wait so long for this case, but I understand the issues with the camera control button. You know, Apple have threw a curveball in this year, and a lot of case makers are playing catch up now. It's understandable, but top notch. It is really good. Good things take time. That's what I always say. And it is a MagSafe case, so we can do a MagSafe test. So if we just take our trusty MagSafe stand and we'll just test the magnets. So here we go. Yeah, MagSafe magnets are really good there. It's taking the full weight of the stand, and the stand's taking the full weight of the phone. That's perfect. That's what you want to see. That's really good, actually. Really, really good. Perfect. So yeah, my final thoughts. Yeah, this, in my opinion, this is the case that Andar should have had. Now, again, like I mentioned, it's not always easy for case makers to get these cases right when Apple throws in a curveball. We seen it last year with the 15 Pro Max and the action button. Case makers had to play catch up with it. And then this year again with a camera control button. So fingers crossed with the iPhone 17, there's not going to be any more damn buttons on this phone, because we don't need any more buttons, Apple, okay? No more buttons. Just saying. The quality of this leather is fantastic. We've got metal buttons, we've got good MagSafe, metal camera guard. It ticks all the boxes here. So if you want good full grain leather, this is what you're going to get. Now, for as far as I'm aware, at the moment this is only available in 3 colors. There's black and there's 2 other browns. I don't know if Andar are going to be doing more of their color ranges, because Andar are first class with their color ranges for the Aspen. But yeah, fingers crossed that they maybe bring out some more, because this case is top notch. It is, they're back to their best, in my opinion. Back to their best with us. So what do you guys think of the updated Andar Aspen? Let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions about the new Andar Aspen, let me know in the comments down below. I'll answer any questions you have, no problem at all. And of course, if you want to pick this case up, I will leave you an affiliate link to where you can pick this case up from Andar's website. Affiliate links help support the channel. They don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. That about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep a look at the channel. I have a lot more tech review and accessories coming for you, so stay tuned. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.